If you've been playing Crew Motorfest for a while, you already know how annoying it can be to travel across the map to reach every single event. It wastes time, breaks the flow of the game, and honestly, it can make jumping between activities feel like a chore. So in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to travel around Crew Motorfest, and the best part is, you can unlock a plane that helps you move between events much quicker. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Crew Motorfest tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the pause menu while you're in the game. From there, look for the activities section. This is where Crew Motorfest keeps a lot of its playlists and progression-based challenges. Once you're inside activities, you need to find and start the Hawaii Scenic Tour playlist. This playlist is the key to unlocking the plane, so if your goal is faster travel across the map, this is the step you do not want to skip. Now, go ahead and complete the Hawaii Scenic Tour playlist. It may take a little bit of time, but it's absolutely worth it because the reward is what makes traveling so much easier later on. As you work through the playlist, just keep following the objectives and finish the full set of challenges until it registers as complete. After you complete the Hawaii Scenic Tour playlist, you'll be rewarded with a plane. That plane is what helps you get around the map much faster, especially when you want to move between events without constantly driving long distances. Once you have it, traveling becomes way more convenient, and you can spend less time moving around and more time actually playing the events you want. So if you've been looking for the best way to travel faster in Crew Motorfest, this is it. Complete the Hawaii Scenic Tour playlist, claim your plane reward, and use it to speed up your movement across the map. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick gaming guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.